In this video, we will go through the various components of the Manage MRF Services screen. To begin, we will click on the NJPDES Monitoring Reports hot link, and we will select our desired permit from the Permit Selection screen and click Continue. We are now brought to the Manage MRF Services screen. This screen acts as the home page for your permit. The first grid section we see is the Available MRFs grid. This section displays any monitoring reports that have not yet been started by the user. Monitoring reports listed in red are those where the due date for the report has passed. This grid can be filtered by start date and/or end dates and allows for page navigation. To start data entry for any of these MRFs, simply click on the icon to the right under the Enter MRF Data column. We will discuss the data entry process in a later video. The second grid is the In Progress MRFs. This grid contains any monitoring report which has been initiated but not completed by the user. As before, reports in red are those past their due dates. The same filtering options are present in this section as the one above. To resume data entry on any of these reports, simply click on the icon to the right of the grid under the Continue with Service column. If you wish to remove any of the in-progress reports, you can click on the red X in the Delete column. This will send the report back to the Available MRFs grid and clear all previously entered information. The third grid is the MRFs Awaiting Certification section. This grid contains reports where the data entry has been completed and the report is awaiting certification by a responsible official or facility administrator. Again, reports in red are past the due date, and the filtering can be done based on the start and/or end dates. The entered data can be viewed by the user by clicking on the associated PDF icon in the Summary column. The user can also delete a report by clicking on the associated red X under the Delete column. Deleted reports will be returned to the Available MRFs grid. Also in this section, the user has the ability to access the Email Responsible Official section and Certify MRF sections of the service. These sections will be discussed in later videos. The fourth and final grid is the Historical MRF Submission section. This section contains any previously submitted monitoring reports. Reports submitted through the service will have an associated summary available by clicking on the PDF icons in the Submission column. Historical reports can be revised by clicking on the icon associated with the report under the Revise MRF column. This process will be discussed in a later video. The filtering options for this section have been increased to include Service ID, Monitoring Location, and Form Type to go along with the standard start and/or end date. This concludes the navigation of the Manage MRF Services screen. Please view our other videos for more information regarding this service.